about just a few weeks back how UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath hinted at reopening the files pertaining to the 1978 Sambhal riots. The Chief Minister claimed that 184 Hindus were collectively burned alive. He claimed 209 Hindus were killed during the riots. But why did he remind the people about the riots that happened way back in 1978? And why is his government now looking into revisiting the probe? Because today, Times Now is in possession of a letter of the UP government from 1993 under the leadership of Mulayam Singh Yadav. This letter pertains to 16 cases related to 1978 Sambhal riots. The cabinet note was a proposal to revoke multiple cases related to 1978 Sambhal riots, and we are learning that the Mulayam Singh government gave the nod to revoke such 8 cases. Now, citing the letter accessed by Times Now, the BJP claims Samajwadi Party stands with the rioters and this letter is evidence.
समाजवादी पार्टी दंगाइयों की असली भाईजान है। इसीलिए जब 1978 में जहां पर अनेकों हिंदू मारे गए, जब वहां पे केसेस रीओपन करने की बात योगी आदित्यनाथ जी की सरकार ने की, तो उन्होंने तुरंत उसका विरोध किया। दंगाइयों के साथ खड़े रहना ये समाजवादी पार्टी की फितरत है। अब दस्तावेज बताते हैं कि 1993 में जब मुलायम सिंह यादव जी की सरकार थी, तब 8 मुकदमे वापस लिए गए। तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति के चलते समाजवादी पार्टी हो, कांग्रेस हो, इंडिया अलायंस हो, वो दंगाइयों के साथ खड़ी हो जाती है। ये उसका एक और प्रमाण है। दंगाइयों का कौन है भाईजान, यही इनकी पहचान समाजवादी पार्टी की। एक तरफ तो वो माफिया बोलते हैं मठाधीश को, एक तरफ तो महकुम का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, सनातन पर सवाल खड़े करते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ दंगाइयों के संरक्षण में उतर आते हैं।
Now, the Samajwadi Party has hit back at the BJP too, claiming that the cases were withdrawn as per constitutional rights given to the state government at that time, and the BJP is only raking up the issue today to divert attention.
देखिए, समाजवादी पार्टी समझती कि 1978 में जनता पार्टी की सरकार थी, जिसमें कल्याण सिंह और भारतीय जनता पार्टी कई बड़े नेता वो मंत्रिमंडल में शामिल थे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी 1993 में नेताजी ने मुकदमे वापस लिए, उन पे सवाल उठा रही, तो समाजवादी पार्टी पूछना चाहती कि मुजफ्फरनगर के 2013 के दंगे के 84 से ज्यादा मुकदमे भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में वापस लिए गए, भाजपा के नेताओं से मुकदमे वापस लिए गए। तो जो संविधान ने अधिकार दिए हैं सरकारों को, वो सरकारें उस संविधान के अनुसार, कानून के अनुसार वो मुकदमे वापस होते हैं। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी जनता का ध्यान मुख्य मुद्दों से हटाना चाहती है, इसलिए 1978 की बात हो रही है, 2025 की बात नहीं हो रही है।
Well, let's get in a word from Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now, because Mulayam Singh Yadav's letter that has been accessed by Times Now, BJP has been criticizing, reacting strongly, calling it Samajwadi Party the real brother of rioters. The question here arises, Pradeep, is Mulayam Singh government, then government, withdrawing the cases? Was it a correction or was it a compulsion?
See, Amita, nothing seems to have changed, because I've been covering Sambhal. We have been interacting with the family members of all those who have lost their near and dear ones during the 1970 Sambhal riot. Because the policy of appeasement that was started earlier, that continues even today also. We saw that on November 24th, when there was a mob violence outside Jama Masjid. That time also 4 people lost their lives, and we saw that Samajwadi Party, instead of speaking for police personnel who were hit by the bullets of stone, they were speaking for those pelted army. So they were showing their sympathy towards the stone pelters, not towards the police personnel who were injured. And that is exactly what had happened in 1978 also. 180 people lost their lives, and during that time also 1,200 people were implicated. There were more than 164 FIR. But what had happened, that not a single person has been punished, and even those now this letter indicates that there were 16 cases which Mulayam Singh Yadav government in 1993 during the cabinet they took a decision that 8 cases need to be withdrawn, and that's one of the reasons that not a single person till date had been punished. Because I was able to interact with Vineet Goyal, the son of Banwari Lal Goyal. Banwari Lal Goyal was brutally killed, and 15 people were burnt inside the factory. They were burnt alive. And he said that I had been knocking at the door, but it was only after 46 years he could dare to come back to Sambhal region. It was only when the temple of Shiv was opened in Khagusarai area during the anti-encroachment drive. They stumbled upon the temple, and finally the gates were thrown open. So now he wants that Yogi Adityanath government to start investigation in this matter, so that so that the people who are responsible for that rights can be punished.
Well, but politics continue to rage on. As far as Samajwadi Party, they're citing constitutional rights. The BJP is raising questions on the then Samajwadi Party government of Mulayam Singh Yadav. Thank you very much, Pradeep, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.